Hey, friends and family and lovers of YouTube, subscribers and members. COOEE Beach, Tasmania. This is a one shot and one shot take. Let's go for it. Let's check it out together. Ooh, yeah. Filming it in 4K. This is a penguin habitat as well, actually. Look at the golden sands. Tide got up to here last. Whether the sand changes colour. Oh yeah, now we're talking. There's a bit of a lull in the weather at the moment. There's not many waves around. There is a new east coast low just about to appear, so that should on the mainland, that should generate into wilder weather down on the beautiful island of Tasmania. But this is COOEE Beach. It's around 20 past 9 in the morning. Look at this. Absolutely magnificent. Yeah, I'm trying the system where it's a virtual walk. So you virtually come with me. There'll be no cuts, no edits. Probably only go for about 12 minutes. If you'd like to come for a walk around a beach in Tasmania, this is the place you want to be. Oh yes, very nice indeed. Actually, usually you don't see too much, but this is quite nice right now. And there's actually this whole big beach, and there's just one other couple down here for a walk as well. The joys of living on an island like this where there's so many choices. Alrighty. Now for the walk, should I go more towards the rocks? Tell you what, let's go this way. And there we've got the highway runs around the coastline, right around the edge of that coastline, right around. It's nice, it's a nice drive. And as you can see, a few houses about the town of COOEE, which is a weird name for a town, but very Australian. Oop, here we go, we're in the water. And it's quite nice. Good way to spend your Monday morning. I was told by a subscriber, never walk filming with a camera behind, with the sun behind you, because you always get your shadow in the shot. They're probably right. And I was told by another subscriber that filming side on like this as I walk made a few people seasick or nauseous. So now we're just going to leisurely walk with my shadow in the water for a virtual walk for you lovely people around the world. And you're on tour here in the northwest of Tasmania. Northwest. Oh. Unfortunately, just over there last week, a young lady went swimming just over there near them, on the other side of those rocks. A young lady went swimming, went in and never come out. That was only about a week ago, and they haven't found anything yet. So more to that story coming up. Look at this. Yes. Since the lifesavers go out at Burnie Beach, which starts in about a week's time, I'm taking this little baby, which is the GoPro, underwater for a swim. But I want to make sure there's someone there to rescue me, because, you know, you never know what's lurking beneath the waves. And in the comments, if you're stuck around this long already, the first lot of people always, YouTube videos are very time sensitive. Either people want to be there to watch, or they want to come and show support. Where they come, they click, they like, they watch a few, whether it's 30 seconds or a minute or even 3 minutes, they watch, and then they move on to their next little video. But if you've stayed on for this long, which is probably 8 minutes already, put yourself in the comments and go, hey, I was here at the 8-minute mark, Jonesy. I'd like to hear that. But yeah, this is the beaches of Tasmania. Ooh, that's how strong that water's coming in. Like, a lot of rock formations, different areas of the coast that got different coloured sand. Like, yeah, different rocks. But yeah, it's a very enjoyable experience is filming actually down here, because there is so much to pick, so much to choose from. And I'll tell you what, look at this magnificent scenery, and you can see there's two lovely people walking up the beach, and as far as I can see, we're the only two or three actually walking at the moment. Got the whole place to ourselves. Bit of seaweed that come in overnight. A lot of seaweed just there. All that dark stuff there is all seaweed. There's a whole heap in the water just there. There's a bag in the water there, I think. Something white. Something white in the water there. Looks like a shopping bag. I'll get that on my way back. But yeah, there's the highway. There's the seaweed. Ooh. It's just a nice piece of white quartz for my white rock garden. I always pick one up. Now check out the weed here. Ooh. And the different colours of the water. Very, very cool. Anyway, COOEE Beach. You're on tour with Radio Jonesy. Tell me if you like this sort of footage, if you enjoy the fast edits where I just go cut and put a bit of music and a few other things, or do you want the virtual experience of going for a walk? And do you want them longer, shorter? Tell me what you listeners and viewers, and because listeners, that's a radio, what you viewers really enjoy. Because I am here to please, I tell you that now. Alright. Well, this is COOEE Beach on a Monday. The scenery is magnificent. I'll come back, I tell you what, I'll come back to this same location when the storms get in, and we'll just have a look, and I'll call that one COOEE Beach Part 2. Storms or some storms at COOEE Beach, I'll call it something like that, and we'll just see the difference of the coastline. And this is like a medium tide. It's not high, it's not low, it's just about right. Ooh, there's a log truck. Taking all the logs down to either the sawmill or going to the ships to get milled overseas. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, thanks for the members, you know who you are, I'll tag you in the videos, and thanks for your support. Thanks everybody for their support actually. It's if you stuck around this long, mate, you're an absolute legend. But yeah, life on an island, there's plenty of beaches to walk around. And that's a fact, Jack. This is Radio Jonesy on tour, saying you've just spent a virtual 14 minutes or so, or we'll make it 15. You spent a virtual 15 minutes walking around the beach with me. I've really enjoyed having you here. I've enjoyed your company. And thanks again for your ongoing support. Look at that. The bird out there on the rock. What's harassing? A seagull. Let's see if he... Yep. Yeah, he knew I was coming for him. He knew I was coming for him. Let's harass him again. Just to end the video with a bit of fun. Here you come, seagull, seagull, seagull. He's probably playing with me more than I'm playing with him. Alright, Radio Jonesy, thanks again. Tune in for the next adventure on tour on the island. in Tasmania.